When it comes to trending colors, neutral does not mean bland. Beige, white, and gray colors let you play with pops of bold color and accents and help you change styles easily. And by using them, you can bring an airy, flexible design to your home. Embrace the new beige that moves away from a golden hue towards cooler undertones. Want an industrial look? Pair lighter hardwood flooring with beige stone look tile. Looking for a bold design? Choose beige in a pattern or texture like this chevron marble mosaic. Bring in the versatility of gray and white. For a light and open space, make white pieces your design canvas. Use a white herringbone backsplash and white countertops. Then add touches of gray, bold lighting fixtures and geometric patterns. For a classic look, choose white polished marble tile with hints of gray for floors and walls to get a balanced backdrop. The look can be clean and simple, but also dramatic. Stylish, classic, and here to stay, neutral colors give you so many options to create the ideal design for your home. Ready to create your perfect look using neutral colors? Visit your local Floor & Decor today or browse online at flooranddecor.com.